definition exclusively by Harper Auto Square. WBIR 10 News starts now.
Alright guys, welcome to WBIR 10 News. We are starting on a current situation that goes by the following. A reporter says that there has been a report of an attack that happened with balls? What? Okay, so it says here that there's an attack with balls at the M.I.S.C.P school due to the M.I.S.C.P. This is believed to be the M.I.S.C.P ball and should not be approached at all costs at times. Okay, that sounds actually pretty threatening. Anyone that gets near a country ball, I think, should stay back. I think that's all the information we have right now. So yeah, we will be going on with our commercial break. Thank you for listening to WBIR News.
Closing time. Get out, please. Stop playing, please. Let's go. Come on.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Memphis Police Department. All residents that live in Memphis are advised to shelter in place immediately. The following stuff had happened in Madisonville, Tennessee, and had spread all the way across this. This situation is required to be an attack warning with country balls. Stay away from balls at these times, and make sure you shelter in place.